Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. TextNow and TextFree both offer free texting and calling, but only one works as a full mobile service provider. Here's how they compare in coverage, features, and use cases. TextNow Wireless is a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO. It offers free calling and texting over Wi-Fi, plus optional cellular service using T-Mobile's network. TextFree, created by Pinger, is a VoIP app. It offers a free phone number for texting and calling over Wi-Fi, but doesn't offer real mobile data or network access unless connected to the internet. TextNow provides a free SIM card that lets users call and text without Wi-Fi by watching ads or upgrading to a paid plan. Full data access starts with paid tiers. TextFree does not offer a SIM or real cell connectivity. It functions entirely through the app and requires an internet connection to make calls or send texts. Now, both apps use ads to keep the basic service free. On TextNow, ads appear on the lock screen or in the app, but can be removed with a paid plan. TextFree also uses in-app ads, and users can buy minutes for calling or upgrade to remove ads, but there's no way to switch to true mobile service. TextNow users keep their number as long as they stay active, using the number at least once every few days. Now, TextFree also recycles inactive numbers after a period of no use, but it gives more grace time before reclaiming the number. TextNow Wireless is ideal for users who want a free or low-cost phone line with optional mobile access. TextFree is suited for temp use, backup communication, or messaging via Wi-Fi on a secondary device. In short, TextNow Wireless offers real mobile service with or without data, and TextFree is a Wi-Fi only app for free calling and texting. Choose based on whether true wireless coverage or a simple app-based number fits your needs better. Thanks for watching.